Hello dear students, this is GATE Economics 2022 solution, and we are solving question number 35. User cost of capital for when there is a depreciation of machine. So user cost of capital for a firm is nothing but the sum of rate of depreciation of machine plus the cost of financial capital. As both our percentages are given, so you just have to sum it up, and very easily the answer is 35%, which is option number C. Which among the following Gini coefficient exhibit the highest equality? So Gini coefficient is actually tells us a story of what? Inequality. So here, lower the value, higher the equality in society. Lowest possible value is 0 to 1. So whichever value is closest to the 0 is our answer, and in our case 36, A is the option that is the closest. Next, 37. fxy is continuous differentiable homogeneous function of degree 4. So which of the following is necessarily true? So in this case, this will be true, because according to the Euler's theorem, n into function of x and y, where the function is of nth power. So nth power is actually decided by the homogeneous functions degrees of freedom as well. Okay, homogeneous function of degree. So this is 4. So this is the degree directly by the Euler structure. Done. So that's it for now. We can do another one. 38. Let me just have a look. Which of the following committees was set up to address the capital account convertibility? Direct question here. So इसका answer है Tarapur committee. And next go to 39. Okay, the demand curve for T in Borduria is given by this function, and domestic supply curve is also given by this. DP denotes this. P and S stands for domestic supply price. T is traded on the competitive world market at ₹9 per unit. Initially, there was no restrictions on trade. However, as a result of lobbying by the domestic suppliers, the burden on the government enhances, and tariff of 3 per unit of taxes imposed. Decrease by how much unit? Okay, so you can draw it. Smaller diagrammatic representation will become handy in this. So supply and demand curve will start from origin 2 by 3p is equilibrium cases, 2 price changes. These are the two, and these two triangles will be formed. Let's see what we can do. So demand equal to 40 minus 2p, supply, world price equal to 9. Domestic consumer buy is theta equal to 40. Let's put the price 2 into 9, 18, so 22. Domestic supplier seller sale 2 into 3 by 9, 6. So import करना पड़ेगा 16 units. Now with tariff things changes. So theta equal to 40 minus 2p, and this is supply. So world price changes. So now new price will be 9 plus 3. They will add it up 12. So 40 minus 2. So now seller is 40 minus 2p is 16, and domestic supply this is domestic demand DD, and domestic supply is 60 minus 8, 8. So this time import will be 8. Okay, so as a result of tariff, import of T is decreased by how many units? Previous was 16, now it is 8. So by 8 units.